In this video, I will show you how to test a battery. A battery stores chemical energy and provides DC voltage. So we have our primary cells and our secondary cells. Primary cells are dry cells. These are our primary cells. And these are secondary cells. They are rechargeable. You cannot recharge these. So how to test it? Pick your multimeter, turn it to DC volt 20. Then you read connect the positive, negative. This is 1.08 volt. This is a primary cell too. This is positive. This is negative. This is 6.51. And these are rechargeable cells. They are the secondary cells. This is positive and this is negative. 0.63 is not charged. This is our 20,000 mAh. This is 3.7 volt. These are positive or negative. 2.69, almost full.